Hey friends, welcome to our English Talk channel. Hi everyone, it's awesome to have you here. I'm Lily.
And I'm Arthur. We'll help you speak English confidently and naturally step by step.
Today we have a really useful topic for you.
Yes, today we're going to learn how to talk about your routine at home in English.
This is something we all do every single day, right? We wake up, we eat breakfast, we clean the house.
Exactly, and if you can describe your daily routine in English, you'll sound so much more natural. Plus, this vocabulary is super practical. You'll use these phrases all the time.
Before we start, if you enjoy this lesson, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. It really helps us create more content for you.
Thank you so much for your support.
All right, let's get started. Arthur, what's the first thing you do in the morning?
Well, the first thing I do is I wake up.
That's a good start.
I know. But seriously, talking about your morning routine is a great way to practice English.
Absolutely. So let's dive into it together.
Okay, Lily, let's start from the very beginning. What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock, sometimes a little earlier, sometimes a little later. How about you?
I wake up around 6:30. I like to start my day early.
Oh, you're an early bird.
Yes, I am. After I wake up, the first thing I do is turn off my alarm.
Same here. My alarm is so loud I have to turn it off quickly.
I usually stay in bed for a few more minutes. I check my phone. I look at messages.
That's a bad habit.
I know, but it helps me wake up slowly. What about you?
I get out of bed right away. I don't like to waste time in the morning.
You're very disciplined.
After you get out of bed, what's next?
I make my bed. It's simple, but it makes me feel organized.
That's a good habit. After I make my bed, I go to the bathroom.
Ah, yes, the bathroom routine. First, I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth too, for about 2 minutes.
After brushing my teeth, I wash my face with cold water.
Cold water? I prefer warm water. Different people, different habits.
Sometimes I take a quick shower.
I prefer showering at night, but a morning shower sounds nice too.
After my shower, I get dressed.
What do you usually wear at home?
Comfortable clothes, usually a t-shirt and sweatpants.
Same here. I wear a hoodie and shorts most of the time. Breakfast time. My favorite part. What do you usually eat?
Toast with butter and jam and a cup of coffee.
I like cereal with milk or scrambled eggs.
Do you cook them yourself?
Yes. First, I crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Then I add milk, salt, and pepper. I beat them. I heat a pan, add butter, pour the eggs, stir gently. 2 minutes later, done.
That sounds delicious. I make coffee with my coffee maker.
I prefer tea. I boil water and pour it over a tea bag. After breakfast, I wash the dishes right away.
I rinse them and put them in the dishwasher.
Lucky you, I wash dishes by hand.
Let's talk about chores.
I do laundry twice a week.
Do you separate colors and whites?
Yes, white in one pile, colored in another.
I vacuum once a week.
I sweep the kitchen and sometimes mop the floor.
Do you clean the bathroom regularly?
Once a week, I scrub the toilet, wipe the sink, clean the mirror.
I dust furniture with a microfiber cloth.
Let's talk about common mistakes.
Mistake 1, make versus do.
Make breakfast, make coffee, make the bed.
But do the laundry, do the dishes, do the cleaning.
Mistake 2, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, but at night.
Mistake 3, don't forget the. I do the laundry. I wash the dishes.
Mistake 4, at 7 o'clock, at noon, at midnight.
In the afternoon, I relax.
I watch cooking shows or read.
Around 6 p.m., I cook dinner.
I make stir fry with rice.
After dinner, more dishes.
Then I call family or stretch a little.
Before bed, I tidy up and lock the doors.
I brush my teeth again and change into pajamas.
I set my alarm.
I read for 15 minutes and then sleep.
Today we learned how to talk about your routine at home in English.
Morning, chores, cooking, bedtime, everything.
Practice describing your routine out loud.
Now, our question of the day: what's your favorite part of your daily routine?
Write your answer in the comments.
Before we finish, thank you so much for watching.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it.
And don't forget to subscribe to English Talks Hub so you never miss our lessons.
We'll be back soon with another helpful video.
Until then, keep practicing, keep learning, and keep enjoying English. Take care, everyone.
See you next time.